In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resolve try again later message on Instagram. Capture a screenshot of message displaying try again later on Instagram. Open Instagram app and go to your profile and tap on three lines at the top right corner to access menu. Navigate to Settings, Help, and Report Problem. Describe issue you are experiencing and attach screenshot of error message. Kindly request Instagram to resolve problem promptly. Then tap on Send button to report your problem. After sending report, log out of your Instagram. Wait for a few moments, then log back into your account. If you are using Android device, clear cache on Instagram app. Go to your device settings and select Apps or Application Manager. Find and tap on Instagram, Storage, and Clear Cache. For iPhone users, offload and reinstall Instagram app. Go to Device Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and find Instagram in the list of apps. Then tap on Offload App, then Confirm. And reinstall Instagram. Allow 24 hours to few days for Instagram to review and resolve report issue.